Want to know how to make your vehicles go at infinite speed and do some other cool things with chips? Well, stick around because today I'm showing you how to do just that. Plus, I've got 4 more awesome things you can do with chips that you probably didn't know about. Let's get started. Let's start with the speed meter. First, grab a chip, a text screen, and a glowing label. Make sure to change the glowing label text to KMAH so it's clear and professional. Now, open the chip editor and click Add. You'll need 2 inputs, one set to entity and the other to string, but make sure the second one is an output. Next, grab these components: 1 velocity, 1 split, 1 multiply, 1 constant, 1 round, and 1 to string. All right, now watch carefully as I connect all these together. This will be the logic behind your speed meter. Once the chip is done, we'll assemble everything. Watch as I position the chip, glowing label, and text screen together to finalize the setup. And there you have it, a fully functional speed meter. On to the next one. Next up is how to change a character's temperature. This one's pretty easy. First, grab a chip and open the chip editor. Click Add and create 1 input. Set the input type to entity to make it work with the character. Now, grab the following components: 1 temperature and 1 constant. These will be the key to controlling the temperature. Next, watch as I connect everything together. It's a simple setup, but really powerful. Once connected, you can change the character's temperature using the constant. For example, let's set it to 15. This will freeze the melon instantly. Now, let's crank it up to 500, and the melon starts burning. That's it for this one. On to the next cool chip trick. Now let's move on to making infinite speed. First, grab a chip and add an input, then change its type to entity. You'll need 2 inputs, so grab another one just like the first. Now get 2 velocity, 1 multiply, and 1 constant. For the multiply and constant, change their types to vector. Set the constant to 1.05, just like this. Now watch carefully as I connect them all together. All right, we're done. Now grab any type of vehicle you want, move it just a little, and watch as it starts to gain infinite speed just like this. That's it for this one. But wait, there are 2 more left. Let's move on to the next. Now let's learn how to change any character's color. First, grab a chip. Double-click the chip and open the editor. In the editor, click Add and name the first input Take Color. Click Add again and name the second input Give Color. Change the type to Entity. Now scroll down and find the Inputs section, then click it. Add both of these inputs. Next, search for color and add 2 of these. Watch as I connect everything, and it's done. Now click Save. Now I'll show you how it works. Get any living entity and a colorable block. Attach the wire from the colorable block to the Give Color input. Do the same for the living entity, but connect it to the Take Color input. Now, you can change any part of the living entity's color. Now we're done. We only have 1 more left. Let's move on to the final one. And for the last one, let's learn how to control anything using a chip. First, spawn a chip, double-click it, and open the editor. Now, in the editor, click Add and change its name to Joystick. And set its type to Entity. After that, click Add again, name this one Target, and also change its type to Entity. Next, scroll down, find Inputs, and get those 2 inputs. Now go to Entities, grab 2 Angle, 1 Normal, and 1 Velocity. Watch closely as I connect everything together. All right, we're done with that setup. Now, we need to create the joystick. For this, grab a wheel and a metal rod. Watch how I build it. After making the joystick, get anything you want to control. Now connect the metal rod to the chip using the joystick input. Then connect the item you want to control to the target input. And that's it. You're all set. You can now control your item using the joystick. Now we're done with the last one. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.